G'day guys, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can calculate consumer and producer surplus. We'll start out looking at some fairly simple ways to do it when we're dealing with straight line supply and demand curves. Then we'll move on to a more general approach which can be used for any type of curve. So we start with the most simple case. We've got straight line supply and demand with the equations given as follows for the curves, and assume that we're at market equilibrium. As we've seen before, the consumer surplus and producer surplus are just equal to these triangles under the curves here. And in order to find the value of them, well, we have to get the area of a triangle, which is the height multiplied by the width times a half. Because you can see that if you draw a rectangle out like that, the area of the triangle is half the area of that rectangle, and the area of the rectangle would just be height times width. So to get the height and width for each of these triangles, we need to know the market price or the equilibrium price, the market quantity, and these intercepts here. So the intercept on the demand curve and the intercept on the supply curve. Now we'll get those last two first because it's very simple. Just go straight to the equation and it's just those first values there. So the demand curve has an intercept of 7. The supply curve